Okay, so this is a cupcake that I have done, and if you can see, it is so big, I cannot even fit it all on the camera at once. So if you haven't figured it out yet, we are creating huge cupcakes here, and we are almost done. The only thing we have to do now is add a cherry on top and some sprinkles. Now I know lots of times cupcakes do not have cherries on top, but I think it looks cool with the big cherry on top, and cupcakes can really have whatever you would like them to have. So to get started on your cherry, what you're going to do is get from the supply table a red square paper and a green little stem, and you're going to use a pencil to do this, but I'm going to use a marker so you can see it. We're going to draw a nice big circle on here. Try to make it go out and touch the edges because we want it to be a big circle. Wouldn't my cupcake look a little strange if it had this little itty bitty tiny little cherry on top? Okay, we have a big cupcake. We need a big cherry. And then you can cut that out. Once you have that cut out, glue the stem on. And then you can get your cupcake and glue this onto the top of the cupcake. Once your cherry is done, you can take your cupcake and go to the supply table. At the supply table you will find a sprinkle station. So the sprinkle station will have a bucket of water there for you already and a tray of paint, and it's going to have lots of colors of paint in it for you to choose from for your sprinkles. And so all you're going to do is just get some paint and put little dots on your frosting. Now try not to put the dots in a line or row or any sort of pattern, because when you sprinkle the sprinkles on top, they just kind of go wherever they want, and so you don't really want to have a line. Now we're not going to put them on this bottom part because remember that's the paper for the cake part, and sprinkles really wouldn't be on that part. It's just going to be on the frosting. You can use as many different colors as you want and just move them around wherever you'd like them to go. And that's it. Your cupcake's done. So once you're done, you can take your cupcake and put it on the drying rack. And then once your table is cleared off, then you can wash your hands and tables with the sponge buckets.